Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Atlantic Beach local and long-distance movers near me. Is your decision to move from one part of Atlantic Beach to another and not away from it? Then you need one of the movers Atlantic Beach has in it that specialize in local relocation. Hiring local movers like Atlantic Beach Local TM Movers is better than relocating alone. Local movers know the area well, including its routes, traffic patterns, and possible obstacles, and use this to handle relocation effectively and quickly. Moving within a city is one thing, and moving outside a city or state into it is something else that requires more planning and will typically be more expensive. For this kind of relocation, you need long-distance movers. There are many efficient movers in Atlantic Beach and Florida if you want more options, and Atlantic Beach Long-Distance 3 Movers is one of them. Since long-distance relocation is typically more expensive than local relocation, you may seek pocket-friendly options. For cheaper moving options, ask different movers for their quotes. Also, considering that damages can happen to your belongings during the move, hiring a mover with insurance is best. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Atlantic Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.